You're watching How Leap. Let's turn on YouTube comments on your phone. You enable comments when uploading a video. Open the YouTube app and tap the plus icon to upload. Select your video and tap next. Go through the title and description screens. Before posting, tap visibility and choose public or unlisted. Then tap Advanced Settings, scroll down to find the Comments section, tap it and select Allow all comments. You can also choose Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review if you want to filter them. Tap Save in the top right. If comments are already off on an old video, go to your profile, tap your videos, select the video, tap the pencil edit icon, tap Advanced Settings, and adjust the comment visibility there. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.